It's your girl, Rich Soul. And as you can see from the title, I am here today to recreate some loaded fries from Checkers because I went there and I'm like, yeah, let me get some bacon on that. Yeah, you know. And it came like with some bacon chips or some bacon bits. I'm like, no, not for $4.26 and for something that this big, you know, this long wide, because I'm holding this camera so I can show y'all the exact size. But you know if you don't get some Lotus fries from Checkers. So I'm about to recreate this and show Checkers what it do. So I had to go grocery shopping, y'all. Here we go. That's that. And I got all kinds of cheese. Like, I ain't playing with the cheese today. I got that cheese, some Gouda cheese, Colby Jack cheese, mustard cheese. It's all sliced up in here in this bowl. And some cheese sauce, some low sodium bacon, and got the onions over here sauteing it out. And I'm gonna add some chili to this, because you know that canned chili, you guys, you have to kind of bam it up some, you know. So I won't let y'all hang out here while I get things started. And I will see you soon. Okay, you guys, so I am back. So I got everything marinating, smelling good, looking good. So let me show you what I got so far. All right. First of all, let's get on this cheese, though. Look at that. Look at that cheese. That cheese said, I am not here to play today. One hand and I'm still pulling it. Look at that cheese, though. That cheese said, I am not here to play today. I mean, I got all the cheeses in the world up in here. That cheese looks so good. Lord have mercy. Yes, ma'am. And all. I may just loosen it up. I don't know yet. And then I got the bacon over here sizzling. And I got the chili. The chili is pretty much done. This is simmering. So this is all the seasonings that I put in it. I got this seasoning in it. Who wants to pronounce those words? Next seasoning. Garlic powder. Black pepper. A little bit of garlic salt. And of course onion powder. And I got some like raw sauteed onions in here as well. So, okay, I guess the next time I see you guys is going to be to plate this bad boy up. And oh, yeah, I got the fries in the air fryer. So, we're going to make it do what it do. Okay, we're going to make it do what it does. Be back with you. Okay, you guys, so I am done. I have the checker fries down, so I'm about to top it all off. Okay, so this is the checker fries. Then we have, oh, let me get my hidden ranch dressing too. Okay, so first I'm going to put down the chili. It is hot. Put the chili down. This looks so good. Has some nice thick cheese. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Yes. And last but not least, some bacon bits. Look at these bacon. Just crumble them all up. Yes. Oh, wait, I cannot wait to eat. Whew. This water. And some hidden ranch dressing to top it all off. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, you guys gotta see this. It is time for me to eat. Try to adjust this up some. So I hope you guys having a good day today. I'm about to be having a good one. Oh yes. This looks so good. First bite is for you. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Checkers, you can't be cheating people out their money. I had to go to the grocery store for this one. I was like, I know I can do it better. I need that bacon. Whew. Now this is the food you can eat this any time of the day. You guys gotta try this recipe. It's simple and it's very tasty, extremely tasty. Look at that bacon. Oh God, yes. This is it. Y'all gotta try this. Just some checker fries. Good, some good chili. Bacon. And ranch cheese and ranch dressing. Drop the mic. Woo! This right here. I can't even talk. And it's still hot. This is gonna be my last bite though before I explode. I ain't gonna even lie. Whew. That's my last bite. See, you can't help but keep on eating. This is so good. Ooh. I really came on here to just show you how to do the recipe, but I couldn't help myself. I had to dig in. So until next time, peace and love.
For better or worse, vows were spoken. I thought our love was special, even golden. So many lies, deceits, causing corrosions. Another chance only for wounds to reopen. Never faithful, so many women was chosen.